is just sensational. The outstretched left foot, the perfect trajectory, force and skill, and that is what you're talking about, the quality. Underside of the bar, but had that spin and just came back into the net. 1-0 for Malawi from something threaded through sensationally from Faith Chinzimu. And a dream finish there. Touch with the right foot there, and it's an open goal for her. That is quality play. A beautiful finish, and with the left foot drives it low into the back of the net. Again you see the through ball, again you see the finish in between the legs of Kazami, and a through.
This is whipped in right over the top there, and a chance for a header. There's the header. Oh, look at that! It's a sensational goal. Absolute world class. It does not get better than that. Tabitha Chawinga, the overhead, the acrobatics, the wow factor is just off the charts. An incredible goal. Surely one of the best at WAFCON. I mean, that is just sensational. The outstretched left foot, the perfect trajectory, force and skill, and that is what you're talking about, the quality. Underside of the bar, but had that spin and just came back into the net. 1-0 for Malawi.